That strong cold front still going to be moving through the area and bringing a big pattern change as we head through the next couple of days. So taking a look at some hazards going on right now. You can see over here, the pink areas basically are what we call red flag warnings, basically high fire danger. Plethora County, also southeastern Fremont County, and much of the eastern part of the state under those. Those should be ending those. We head toward about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then once the sun goes down, temperatures will start to drop. And relative humidity will start to come up as well. So that should begin to end. However, we have another danger as we head toward basically late tonight into tomorrow morning as that cold front drops down, high wind warnings. And these are mainly across portions of Bighorn County as well as across Johnson County. Look at the other map here. A little bit hard to read, I know, but you can see some wind gusts, 50, 60 miles per hour, especially up around the Grayville area, Franny, Cali up along the Montana border. And also here across Johnson County when you get northwest flow here. Places like Buffalo could see wind gusts of 60, wouldn't rule out a 70 mile per hour wind gust. So if you wear a toupee tomorrow, it's going to get blown down the street. But more seriously, if you drive a high profile vehicle, watch those strong crosswinds, including I-25 and 990, because it could flip your truck over, and that can make for a really bad day, obviously. And also, I expect that snowfall as the front comes down. Again, it's a fairly dry front. It's moving quick, so it's not going to last a long time. So most areas basically coated to an inch. Bighorn Basin might not see anything. A little bit more from the mountains, obviously. And models indicating maybe a little bit more around Casper. Downtown may only get an inch, but as you head up closer to the mountain, out toward Wyoming Boulevard and up toward the foothills there, maybe 2 to 3 inches, a little bit more up on top of the mountains, obviously. Now, the problem with this is the timing. It's going to be coming in probably around the morning commute time when the heaviest is going to fall, so it could slicken the roads up just a little bit. And one more thing we want to look at, I think this is going to be the big story, is how much the temperatures are going to change. Now, out there today, Wednesday, it's a very nice day out there. The temperatures in the 60s, many places getting into the 70s, even upper 70s up around Buffalo. But look at the changes here. Really big changes. West of the divide, not really a big change, but east of the divide, especially the further east you go, Riverton about 20 to 30 degrees colder, especially when you get past the Bighorn Mountains. 36 degrees colder at Casper, 41 below at Buffalo, even at Gillette, 42 degrees below what it was. So a big change coming. It's going to be a shock to your system as well. We've got some gusty winds on top of this as well, so it's going to feel really cold in some areas. So to sum it all up, again, fire danger critical in Natrona as well as southeast Fremont counties, many places elevated. That should end those as we head toward this evening. And next, the winds, strong to high winds, very likely across portions of Bighorn and Johnson counties. Could be some strong winds in other places as well. Stay out of the Wind River Canyon. Could be some strong wind gusts getting into Riverton when the front passes. They won't last too long there, though. So again, the big threats there are blowover vehicles as well as your toupee blowing off. The cold, I think, is going to be the really big story about this. Temperatures running anywhere from 50, maybe 60 degrees colder. We're going to take the highs for today and compare it to the lows we're going to be seeing as we get toward Thursday night, Friday morning. Some places well down to the teens. Wouldn't rule out some places maybe getting down in the single digits if it clears out. Some of those real low-lying areas where the cold air can drain in. And as far as snow, again, a burst of snow when this comes through, it won't last more than about 6 hours, but the timing's kind of critical on this. It could come in around the morning commute, so we want to allow a few minutes of extra commute time. Here's your briefing, everybody. Have a good day.